It needs to condition. For purity beers, 24 hours is prime. For a darker, sweeter beer, a little longer. For a lighter, fresher beer, a little shorter. But after you've breached the tut, you have to put a soft peg in. What this does is allow the beer to breathe, whilst also preventing anything from getting into the beer from the ambient environment. So that's really important. Soft pegging, and this is the beginning of the conditioning period. After we've got the beer ready, the thing we would need to do is actually have a little taste and a look at it. So the initial taste test is really important in a couple of ways. First and foremost, it tells you, is the beer in the barrel what the brewery tells you it is on the outside of the barrel. That prevents any ullage, and if the beer is wrong, you can send it straight back. This is why we recommend using a double tap, because even when the beer is serving and hooked up, you can draw out from the spare line. If you have two handpulls on the bar of the same brand, you can draw both handpulls from the same barrel rather than pulling out of two separate barrels and splitting the quantity volume. Okay, so a little bit into a glass. Give it a little spin around. You can see there, the beer, although hazy, has a good amount of life in it, but could do with a bit more. Smell, check, look for colour, and you'll know then that the beer is going to be absolutely ideal when it's time for conditioning and time for selling. There we are. The beer is now in a state to be conditioned for as long as you decide, 24 to 36 hours ideally.